Hello, welcome to another video. Today, we are going to be talking about setting up an email marketing system for your business. If you are a small business owner, an entrepreneur, a freelancer, a remote worker, or a digital nomad, this information will be very useful for you. We'll specifically be looking at Mailchimp. To get started, go to Mailchimp.com, follow the prompts to sign up, and an email will be sent to your inbox requesting that you activate your subscription. Once you've done that, you'll eventually be taken to the Mailchimp dashboard. Before we dive into the Mailchimp dashboard, let's look at the pricing page. Here you can compare different marketing plans that Mailchimp offers. The free plan, essentials, standard, and premium plans. The free plan comes with a feature that allows you to have one seat, which is the owner's seat, and up to 500 contacts. You can send up to 1,000 emails every month with a daily limit of 500 emails. This plan is really good for a small business owner or freelancer. In the audience section, you are allowed to have one type of audience, which is where segmentation comes in. Segmentation is basic in the free plan, allowing you to target a specific audience. You can have more when you upgrade to the pay plans. Additionally, you have access to contact profiles, tags, and an inbox to communicate directly with your contacts. Mailchimp also has a mobile app, which is very convenient, allowing you to manage your campaigns on the go. The dashboard offers a lot of data, and the design section provides pre-built templates for you to create your design. I'm particularly excited about the Creative Assistant, which helps you get things done quickly. Mailchimp offers various marketing channels, including landing pages, social posts, pop-up forms, and embedded forms. With AI and generative AI possibilities, you can incorporate automation into your emailing system so things keep happening even when you're not there. The reporting system is robust, helping you understand what works and what doesn't. You can run A/B testing and have access to support, along with many other features. I'll add a link in the description so you can explore these features and choose the plan that suits you best. Now let's jump into the platform. This is my Mailchimp dashboard, where you can see various functions you can perform with your Mailchimp account. Today, we aim to accomplish 3 things: campaigns, automation, and audience setup. I recommend setting up your audience first, especially if you have forms or lead magnets on your website or social media that have been collecting emails and contact details. To import contacts into your Mailchimp work area, click on Add Contacts. You have 3 options. Import from another service. Mailchimp has a robust integration system. Import contacts from a CSV file, or manually copy and paste the information. I usually go with the CSV option. Once you click Continue, you can browse your computer or drag and drop your file. Organize your data by matching fields correctly. For example, Mailchimp may recognize the first name and email, but might need help with custom fields like city or skill. Resolve any errors by clicking the pencil icon to match your data fields with the correct titles. Once everything is correct, go on to subscribe to your contacts. This step is crucial because choosing subscribed status indicates that you have permission to market to them. Misuse of this feature can lead to penalties, so ensure all contacts have given consent. While your contacts are being imported, you can visit the audience dashboard. Next, let's talk about sign-up forms. If you don't already have contacts and are new to this, Mailchimp has a feature called sign-up forms that you can use as lead magnets. You can create sign-up forms on your Mailchimp account and embed them on your website to start collecting contact information. To create a sign-up form, click on the button to start building. You can add more fields, such as text fields, and customize them according to your needs. If you make a mistake, you can remove fields by typing delete. Once you finish, your sign-up form will allow visitors to enter their information, which will be directly imported into Mailchimp. After that, let's set up a campaign. A campaign can be a newsletter, an event, an announcement, or anything else you want to communicate to your audience. Click Create, and Mailchimp gives you 3 options: create a regular email, create one with an automation feature, or build a landing page. For now, let's design a regular email. Add a title and decide on the subject of your email campaign. For instance, if it's a webinar event, title it accordingly. Ensure your contact list is added. If it's not, Mailchimp will prompt you to do so. Next, add a subject, such as skill monetization, and a preview text if desired. You can also decide whether to send it immediately or schedule it for later. Design the content of your email using the drag-and-drop interface. Add headings, paragraphs, and other elements. If you want to test the email, send a test email to yourself before saving and exiting. You can also save it as a template for future use. Once you're done, you can send your campaign or finish it later. The next feature to explore is automation. Automations are essential when you have a growing contact list, and when you need to regularly send welcome emails, birthday greetings, or newsletters without doing it manually. You can build automation from scratch, or use Mailchimp's pre-built templates, such as the Welcome Contact automation. This simple automation sends a welcome email to any contact who signs up through the sign-up form. To set up an automation, click Use this journey. Although the free plan does not support automation, you can still see how it works and decide if it's worth upgrading. If you believe automation is essential for your business, upgrading is a great option. I hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tutorials on optimizing your business processes.